Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to do questions about expanding brackets, which is a major part of algebra. These questions are from IGCSE Edexcel Maths A for higher, and you can use this for foundation as well. Through these questions, you will develop better understanding about how to expand brackets and then further expand and simplify equations. You can also use these questions to develop better understanding about GCSE Edexcel Maths, algebra questions, O-level maths, and IGCSE Cambridge Maths. So without further delay, let's start the questions. Expand and simplify x plus 2 times 2x plus 3 times x minus 7. Show your working clearly. So this is an expansion of a triple bracket. So when you have a triple bracket, what you can do is you can begin with the expansion of the first two brackets and then multiply the result with the third bracket. So we can start with expanding these two first. So it's going to be x times 2x plus 3 and then plus 2 times 2x plus 3. And read x minus 7 multiplied with the entire thing. So when expanding brackets, the first term in the first bracket gets multiplied with all of the terms in the second bracket. And then the second term in the first bracket gets multiplied with all of the terms in the second bracket. So x times 2x is 2x squared. X times 3 is 3x. 2 times 2x is 4x. And 2 times 3 is 6. When you're multiplying variables, the power changes. But when we're adding variables, the power doesn't change. So now that we expanded the brackets, we collect the like terms. 3x and 4x are like terms. So 2x squared plus 7x plus 6 is the expansion of the first two brackets. And this gets multiplied with x minus 7. That's going to be 2x squared times x minus 7. Then 7x times x minus 7. Then plus 6 times x minus 7. We did the same thing as we did in the first step. All of the terms in the first bracket get multiplied with the terms in the second bracket. So 2x squared times x is 2x cubed. Like I said, when we multiply the variables, their power changes. 2x squared times 7 is negative 14x squared. 7x times x is 7x squared. 7x times negative 7, negative 49x. 6 times x is 6x, and 6 times negative 7 is negative 42. Collect the like terms. 2x cubed is going to be alone. Negative 14x squared plus 7x squared is negative 7x squared. Negative 49x plus 6x is negative 43x. And negative 42 comes as it is. So this is your expansion of the given triple bracket. In the next part, it says solve 2x plus 5 whole square equals to 2x plus 3 brackets 2x minus 1. So this is a combination of expansion, simplification, and then solving an equation. The reason why I chose this question is because it would help in learning how to expand double brackets. So what we can do is, we can rewrite 2x plus 5 whole square as 2x plus 5 times 2x plus 5. And then we have the 2x plus 3 times 2x minus 1. Expand the bracket. 2x gets multiplied with 2x plus 5. And then 5 gets multiplied with 2x plus 5. On the right hand side, 2x gets multiplied with 2x minus 1. And plus 3 gets multiplied with 2x minus 1. 2x times 2x is 4x squared. 2x times 5 is 10x. 5 times 2x is 10x. And 5 times 5 is 25. Similarly, 2x times 2x is 4x squared. 2x times negative 1 is negative 2x. 3 times 2x is 6x. And 3 times negative 1 is negative 3. Now we're going to collect all of the terms on one side. 4x squared minus 4x squared. 10x plus 10x is 20x. And then 20x over here. Negative 2x plus 6x is 4x. So it's going to be minus 4x plus 25 plus 3 equals to 0. When you move the terms from one side to the other side, the sign of the terms changes. So if it's positive, it becomes negative or vice versa. So 4x squared minus 4x squared is 0. 20x minus 4x is 16x. 25 plus 3 is 28. 16x equals to negative 28. X is negative 28 divided by 16. And that can simplify to negative 7 over 4. That is your value of x. Then we have it again, triple bracket expansion, but now instead of a triple bracket, the first term is just like a singular term, it's not a bracket. So it's kind of similar to that. So what we can do is first we can begin with expanding the brackets, and then we can multiply the result with 3x. So 3x brackets 2x times 7x minus 4 plus 5 brackets 7x minus 4. There's no restriction to which brackets you pick to expand. You can also begin with multiplying 3x with 2x plus 5. And then the result you get from that, you can multiply with 7x minus 4. So there's no one way to go about this. You can expand any other bracket and then multiply the result. So it depends on you. 3x bracket 2x times 7x is 14x squared. 2x times 4 is negative 8x. 5 times 7x is 35x. And 5 times negative 4 is negative 20. That's 3x bracket 14x squared. And then 35 minus 8, which gives us 27x minus 20. Now we multiply 3x with all of these. So 14 times 3 is 42 x cubed, because x times x squared is x cubed. Then 27 times 3 is 81 plus 81x squared. And then 3x times 20 is negative 60x. So that is your expansion and simplification of these brackets. So now we have the expansion of a double bracket. We're multiplying x plus 9 with x minus 2. So x bracket x minus 2 plus 9 bracket x minus 2. That's x squared minus 2x plus 9x minus 18. That's x squared plus 7x minus 18. And that's your answer. This is again similar to what we did in the previous question. So now in this case, I will expand it differently for you. So I will multiply these two first and then multiply the result with x minus 3. So 2x times x is 2x squared. 2x times 5 is negative 10x. And that gets multiplied with x minus 3. So now 2x squared times x minus 3 and then negative 10x times x minus 3. 2x squared times x is 2x cubed. 2x squared times 3 is negative 6x squared. Negative 10x times x is negative 10x squared. And negative 10x times negative 3 is plus 30x. So that's going to be 2x cubed minus 16x squared plus 30x. That is your answer. Next it says expand and simplify again. So we first expand these two and then these and then add or subtract the result. So 4x times 2x is 8x squared. 4x times 5 is plus 20x. It's like you multiply these first and then these and then these and then again these. Negative 3x times 2x is negative 6x squared. Negative 3x times negative 3 is plus 9x. 8x squared minus 6x squared is 2x squared. 20x plus 9x is 29x. So that's your answer. Then it says expand and simplify. So again, very similar to the question that we just did. Multiply 3x with 2x, 3x with 3, negative x with 3x, and negative x with 5. So that's 6x squared plus 9x minus 3x squared minus 5x. 6x squared minus 3x squared is 3x squared. 9x minus 5x is plus 4x. So that's your answer. Again, a triple bracket expansion. So 4x bracket 3x times 2x minus 3, and then plus 1 bracket 2x minus 3. 3x times 2x is 6x squared. 3x times negative 3 is negative 9x. 1 times 2x is 2x. And 1 times negative 3 is negative 3. So 4x bracket 6x squared minus 7x minus 3. Expand this bracket now. 4x times 6x squared is 24x cubed. 4x times 7x is negative 28x squared. 4x times negative 3 is negative 12x. That's your answer. By now, if you've been able to understand the previous expansions, this one was very simple. Multiply 4x with x and then 4x with negative 5. So that's 4x squared minus 20x. Simple as that. Then for this, I'll expand the first two brackets first and multiply the result with the last bracket. So 3x times x plus 2 minus 1 times x plus 2. That gets multiplied with 3x plus 1. So that's 3x squared plus 6x minus x minus 2 times 3x plus 1. So that's 3x squared plus 5x minus 2 times 3x plus 1. 3x squared times 3x plus 1 plus 5x times again 3x plus 1 and minus 2 times 3x plus 1. So that's 3 times 3, 9x cubed plus 3x squared plus 15x squared plus 5x minus 6x minus 2. That's 9x cubed plus 18x squared minus x minus 2. And that is your expansion. And with that, we're done with questions for expanding brackets. You will not get any other type of questions for these. These are like the only type of questions you can get for expanding brackets. So if you've understood everything and you know how to expand brackets by the end of this video, please like and subscribe and share this video with your friends.